Welcome to JAL Academy. Today, we'll be talking about some applications that make the learning process of students very simple. So, today we talk about an app called Quillbot. So, what is Quillbot? Quillbot is a paraphrasing and summarizing tool that helps millions of students and professionals cut their writing time by more than half using state-of-the-art AI to rewrite any sentence, paragraph, or article. So let's zoom into how it works. So it's a website, you search for it in your address bar, Quillbot, then you search. So we pick the paraphrasing tool slash Quillbot AI. So we click on that link. So this is how the interface looks like. Because we already created an account as we have logged in already, you get me. So let me log out and log in once more so you are able to follow. So because we have an account already, continue as JAL Academy, and we are in now. If we didn't have an account, we should sign up. So here you choose the kind of English you write in. So if it's American English, British English, or Australian English, and it is best to make your choice in relation with what your Microsoft Word chooses for its English language. So here choose the light mode. We can switch to dark or back to our light mode. Then you can see from the interface we have the paraphraser, the grammar checker, the plagiarism checker, co-writer, summarizer, citation generator, and these links, when you click on them, will show you how to add Robot to your Chrome extension, your Google Docs extension, or your Word, Microsoft Word extension. So let's look at students' resources. So you can see the students' resources are mainly these four. We have the paraphraser, the grammar checker, we have the summarizer, and we have the citation generator. So what does the paraphraser do? Refine, enhance, or simply reword your document, your written work. Then the grammar checker polish your work by addressing punctuation, spelling, and word misuse. The summarizer summarize new articles, long emails, or even your own writing. Then the citation generator gets perfect APA, MLA, and Chicago style citations in one click. So let's zoom into the paraphraser. So the paraphraser, this is how it looks like. This is the interface for the paraphraser. So we have different modes ranging from standard to fluency to formal, simple, creative, expand, and shorten. So it's only standard and fluency that are available when you have not upgraded to premium. So the standard, what it does is it rewrites text in a reliable manner to maintain meaning. The fluency ensures text is readable and free of errors. The formal through to the shorten also have their processes they undertake, but they can only be unlocked with premium. So that's the interface. Here is where you will be putting your text. So when you are done putting your text here, then you paraphrase it and it shows at this side. So we'll zoom into that real soon. Then we come to the grammar checker. The grammar checker, this is the interface. So you put your text here. So when you put your text here, then you fix all errors. You click on this. So with this tutorial, we'll be going through the paraphraser and the grammar checker. So I have my document here. Yes, so something very quick, and it's best that you always make your document in paragraphs. You make it in paragraphs so that it's easy to be tracking your your progress thus far. So one thing to make sure is, you see, with my Microsoft Word, the English is what United States. So I have to make sure that in my Quillbot application, I've chosen what American English. Perfect. So this is my document that I want to make some changes to. So the best thing to do is to copy all of it. So Control C, I copy, I go back to my Quillbot, then I put it at the grammar checker side. So I wait for some time for the errors to be shown, then I fix all errors. So fix all errors by clicking on the fix all errors button. So when it's done, everything is fixed, but it's best that you read through to make sure that the idea you wanted to put across is still captured. You understand? So now that I've read through and everything is good to me, I just copy. So text copied, you copy it using the copy full text button, and I come back to my Word document and I paste. So when I paste, it comes with its own formatting. So it has changed the formatting style I use. So all I have to do is go to this button, clear all formatting, and it's back to what I was using. And I make sure that I put back my paragraphs. Perfect. So this is what we have. The next thing after checking your grammatical errors and mistakes is to go into your paraphraser. So the paraphraser, let's go to a paraphraser interface. So this is how it looks like. It's always best to put it in paragraphs because if you try to copy a lot of text, that is a lot of text, and you come and paste it here, you see, get premium for unlimited words 166 over 125. So the maximum word number of words you can put here is 125. So it's always prudent you write your essay in paragraphs if you do not want to purchase a premium package. So we go back to our text and copy it paragraph by paragraph. So you copy this, yes, perfectly. Control C, you move back to your paraphraser interface of Quillbot, and you paste it. So we click on paraphrase and wait for some time while the AI powered model makes some changes and tweaks to our passage. So yes, it's almost true. It's almost true. So we wait for it to be done. Yes, and perfect, it is done. So we read through it. If the words are fine with us, we just click here to copy the full text. If not, we can click on rephrase. So it has a number of rephrases or paraphrasing it can do to your passage. So when you keep clicking on rephrase and you see that it just started once more, so it means that it has given you the maximum. So I like to go with this. It's okay for me, so I copy. Then I come back to my Word document and paste. So I've pasted it. Then let's go to the second paragraph. Copy it. So I copy all of it. Come back to my Quillbot, paste it. I overwrite what I had earlier for the first paragraph. So when I'm done, I click on paraphrase, wait for some while for the changes to be done. So it's undergoing the changes. Just some few seconds more and it will be done. Perfect. After it is done, let me rephrase it. Yes, rephrase it. I think English is good for me. This English, this English is good for me. So all I do is copy, I come back and I paste. So everything is perfect. Sometimes when you bring it back, there might be some tweaks you will have to do. But with mine, everything is perfect. Tema is underlined because Tema is not part of the Microsoft Word dictionary. But Tema, we do know that this is the spelling and it is right. So Control S, save my document. Then I'm through with it. So this is a perfect application for students. So we just corrected grammar, we just paraphrase. So sometimes you can use the summarizer tool as well. The summarizer, all you have to do is you paste your word that you want to summarize here. So let's assume I wanted to summarize all this documents here. So I copy, then I come back, then I paste. So when I paste, you see it has been able to find some selected keywords in my passage. So I click on summarize, then we wait for some time. You get me? you wait for some time, and it's done. It has been able to summarize it. But if you think it's too short, you increase this and you wait this bar over here. So you wait, then you click on re-summarize. So when you click on re-summarize, to make the tweaks, making it longer, make it long, you hit long, then re-summarize. So you can see that it brought new words to it. So you can always use this to show the number of words you want to be, the length of your summary. So yeah, that's perfect. Very strong application that students can use to always remember to use Quillbot. It will solve some simple issues for you. So thank you very much for tuning in this JAL Academy and subscribe for more. Thank you.